According to Gallup, 62% of employees worldwide are disengaged, often performing at the bare minimum, and 15% are actively disengaged. Well, as a leader, understanding the root cause of this disengagement is crucial. Now, to get to the root cause, leaders often spend a lot of time and effort into trying to pinpoint this disengagement. A highly effective approach is to understand human wiring. In several minutes, just by understanding a group's human wiring, we can identify specific changes happening within a team. And when leaders embrace human wiring and its impact on systematizing and scaling their companies, they can proactively and quickly enhance employee engagement. Here's where understanding human wiring can improve engagement in your organization. Role alignment. Whether you're scaling a business or focusing on creating a best place to work, match an employee's natural wiring with the position. In this way, alignment happens and it enhances performance because employees are more likely to excel in positions that suit their inherent tendencies. The employer also benefits from knowing how to best manage and motivate that employee. One employer reduced their turnover from 99% to 0 in just 3 months, simply by aligning the right human wiring pattern with the position pattern. Adaptive leadership. Leaders who understand human wiring can communicate and manage diverse teams more effectively. See, by fostering an environment where all wiring types are valued and utilized effectively, leaders can boost overall team morale and engagement. For example, when I showed a CEO that her wiring was completely opposite of her team's wiring, she had a light bulb moment. She understood that her abstract communication style wasn't resonating with her literal, detail-oriented team who needed clear sequences of events or tasks. Frustrated and commanding at first, she modified her approach. She began to communicate more lightheartedly and also structured her management style to provide the necessary details and sequences. As a result, her team became more energized and engaged, delivering the goals that the company needed to grow. Training and development. Design training programs that cater to different learning styles to ensure that all employees can grow and adapt as the business scales. Some individuals learn best by trial and error, while others thrive on repetition. Tailoring your training or onboarding to address all wiring types can make your programs more effective and engaging. See, by focusing on human wiring as part of your organizational development strategies, leaders can quickly and effectively address the root causes of disengagement, leading to a consistently motivated and productive workforce. To learn more about our organizational development services, please visit accelerateassociates.com, or to experience our approach using human wiring, join our masterclass, Wired to Win 101, How Are You Hardwired, at accelerateassociates.com/wired to win 101. I'm Lisa Minnini. Until next week, create a great life.